Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up a security key in Binance. First, log into your Binance account and navigate to the security settings. You'll find options for various two-factor authentication methods there. Select the security key option to begin the setup process. This crucial step adds a robust layer of protection, making your account much safer from potential threats. It's a simple yet powerful way to safeguard your digital assets. Once you've selected the security key option, you'll be prompted to connect your physical key. Plug your security key into an available USB port on your computer or mobile device. Binance will then guide you through the registration steps. You might need to tap or press the key to confirm its presence and link it to your account. This process usually takes less than 1 minute to complete, ensuring a quick and efficient setup. After successfully registering your security key, it's important to confirm its activation. Return to your security settings to ensure the key is listed as active. For a thorough check, log out of your Binance account and then attempt to log back in. You will be prompted to use your newly registered security key to complete the login process. This confirms that your key is working correctly and providing the intended security. To maximize your security, always keep your physical security key in a secure yet easily accessible place. It's also a smart idea to have a backup security key registered to your account in case your primary key is lost or damaged. This ensures you always have access to your funds. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Implementing these practices significantly strengthens your account's defenses against unauthorized access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.